In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in Bluebeam. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Tools section up top, and then you want to hover over Stamp. And then in here, as you can see, there's a bunch of different watermarks or stamps you can put on. However, you could also create a new one or import it if you want to. So if you want to import, click on here, select one from your computer, click on Open, and that's going to do the trick for you. But if you want to create one, click on Create Stamp over here. Then you can basically select all the dimensions, stuff like that. Click on OK, and then you'll be able to create your own stamp in here, whatever you want that to be, and then after that you'll be able to save it and actually use it. However, I'm going to quickly just show you how to do this using one of these templates. So if I click on Tools, Stamp, and then I select, for example, Watermark, I can just draw over here. So for example, like this, and as you can see, this is now the watermark. However, it's not really transparent, so if I move this, as you can see, you can't really see through. So what you have to do, you want to go to the top over here, and then you want to change the transparency. Usually I like to do like 30, you could do 30 to 50, press enter, and just like this, as you can see, the transparency has been reduced, and I could go ahead and put this watermark anywhere I wanted over here without actually blocking the content behind it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.